Hi, this is Dr. Riaz Khan, Department of Zoology, Government Degree College, Narayanpet, District Mahabub Nagar, it's a Estival district and state Telangana. Today's our topic is rhynchocephalia. It is important for BSc VJC second semester and third semester purpose important. Before we are going to entering the main content, so we discussed something about the rhynchocephalia here. Sima, rhynchocephalia is a order. It belongs to the class Reptilia, reptiles. Presently, reptiles four orders lives on Earth. Only four order lives on Earth. Then the four orders are first Rhynchocephalia, second Chelonia, third Squamata, fourth Crocodilia. These four orders lives on Earth. In among four orders, Rhynchocephalia has some unique characters. That's why it is a one of considered important topic for examination purpose as well as entrance point of view. Okay. Now we are entering the our main topic, that is order Rhynchocephalia. Okay, here this order includes, this Rhynchocephalia order includes only one living species, that is Spinodon punctatus. It includes only one living species, that is Spinodon punctatus. Okay, next it is a living fossil. What it is a living fossil. Living fossil means what? What the definition of living fossil? Living, now, fossil, old. What? See, listen definition of the living fossil. If a organism persists its character without changing since many years or many decades, we call living fossils. Listen once again if any organisms persist its character without changes, remember things, without changes since many years, we call living fossils. Suppose we are the human being in which in 50, when we reached 50 years, everything is changed, external, internal. But these organisms, the Spinodon punctatus, without change its character since many decades it's look like same, external, internal, no changes that is the uniqueness of the Spinodon punctatus. That's why I call it is a living fossil. Next it shows discontinuous distributions. What discontinuous distributions means? What distributions, you know that a distributed, right? What is the discontinuous distributions? The definition if a organism restricted only certain areas, not distributed all over the world, is called discontinuous distributions. Here what I am saying this Spinodon is restricted, confined to one area of the country and not distributed all over the world. So that's why we call it shows discontinuous distributions. Okay, next you see already mentioned here, it confined only Bay of Plenty of New Zealand. Means where it is found it found only or appeared only New Zealand and not appeared any part of the world. That's why we call it shows discontinuous distributions. Where it confined to the Bay of Plenty region of the New Zealand country they found only that area, not found all over the world. Okay, that is next, that is a discontinuous distributions. Next it is also called Hatteria lizard, tartar lizard, beak-headed lizard. It is also called Hatteria lizard, tartar lizard, beak-headed lizards. They are the common names of the Spinodon punctatus. Next Spinodon is nocturnal and carnivorous. Nocturnal means what If organisms active in night time, we call nocturnals. What about the carnivores, ma? Carnivores means what, ma? The flesh eating animals are called carnivores. Next, ma. It lives in small holes and burrows of the rocks. Where it was lives, ma? It lives in small holes and burrows of the rocks. Okay, burrows of the rocks. Okay, ma. Next, ma, it associated with the petrel birds. It associated with the petrel birds. Here you have a doubt. It is a carnivores, means flesh eating animals, but it associated with petrel birds. How? Why can't kill the petrel birds? Simply here carnivores means it means that Spinodon eat only small insects and snails, man, not the big animals. Okay, so that's why it associated with the petrel birds. These are the some important points of the Spinodon punctatus, ma. Next, ma, body, their body says their body is ma, their body is what, ma? Their body is, okay, here na, their body is a long lizard like. See here, ma. See, almost it look like the lizard. Their body is long lizard like. Okay. Next, ma, body is covered. That very important. Ma, body is covered by horny epidermal plate. See, ma, here I will show you. See, the body is covered by. See, these are the body is covered by the horny. See this one, like that spike. Horny epidermal scales. Okay, ma. The body is covered by what, ma? Horny epidermal scales. Next one is important, ma. Here the middermal scales. The middermal scales shows spiny crest. See, ma, some of the middermal scales. See, I will show you here. Some of the here, see, ma. Some of the middermal scales form a one spiny crest like that, ma. They form as some like spiny crest structures. What I am saying, ma, some of the epidermal scales form the spiny crest. See, look here, ma. See, look here. Okay. Next, ma, the skull is, next point, the skull is diapsid. Skull is diapsid. Diapsid means what? If skull, it means diapsid means skull has two openings. Two openings means two pairs of opening means one is supratemporal opening, one is infratemporal opening. If skull has two opening, we call diapsid. Okay, next, ma, the Spinodon lifespan is 50 years. The lifespan is 50 years, ma. Okay. Next, ma, vertebrae are amphicoelous. Vertebrae are amphicoelous. Amphicoelous means what? What, ma? Amphicoelous means what? First, vertebrae means what? Seal is it, ma? Vertebrae. Next, vertebral column. Next, spinal cord. What is the difference between these three things? Vertebrae, vertebral column, spinal cord. I will, if I get possible, I draw diagram. Just this is the, ma, field spinal cord. This is the vertebral column. See, what I am saying, ma, this is the what, ma? Spinal cord. This is the vertebral. Means the spinal cord is means vertebral column protect the where, ma? Protect the spinal cord. What I am saying, ma, vertebral column protect the spinal cord. And what is the vertebrae? Vertebrae make the vertebral column. Vertebrae make the vertebral column. That vertebral column protect the spinal cord. In our common language, vertebral column is nothing but backbone. Backbone, it gives the mechanical support to the body as well as protect the spinal cord. Okay, here vertebrae are amphicoelous. Amphicoelous means what, ma? Here amphicoelous means what? Amphicoelous means what? Means here it shows it means it says here vertebrae shape. How vertebrae look like? It's a in Spinodon vertebrae look like amphicoelous. Amphicoelous means what, ma? which shape means amphicell is a one type of shape. See, if see this is diagram ma. See what I am saying ma, if vertebrae both side, anterior side and posterior side has concave, the vertebrae both side has concave structures or concave shape, we call amphicoelous vertebrae. What I am saying ma, anterior side and posterior side of the vertebrae is concave, so that vertebrae is called amphicoelous. Okay, so vertebrae are amphicoelous, means amphicoelous nothing but that vertebrae shape ma. Next most important thing ma, pro-atlas vertebrae is present. What pro-atlas vertebrae? Before we are going to entering the what is the pro-atlas, generally our vertebral column has a 4 region ma. Vertebral column means our backside has 4 vertebral column, 4 regions. First one is neck, second one is thoracic, third one is lumbar, fourth one is sacral region. Okay, so vertebral column has a 4 region: neck, thoracic, lumbar, sacral region. Now come to the neck region. Neck, that is called also cervix ma. The neck region has a 7 vertebrae. Neck region has a 7 vertebrae ma. First vertebrae name is atlas, second vertebrae name is axis. It is common to the every organisms. But in Spinodon, addition neck vertebrae is present. That vertebrae name is what ma? Pro-atlas. Pro-atlas is a addition vertebrae in neck region. Generally neck region has a 7 vertebrae ma. In that 7 vertebrae, first vertebrae name is atlas, second one is axis. But here addition vertebrae is present, that is pro-atlas. Where it is located, see ma, I will show diagram, just rough diagram. It is the skull, it is the atlas, pro-atlas, it is the atlas, it is the axis. What I am saying ma, this pro-atlas presents between the skull and atlas. What I am saying ma, this pro-atlas present between the skull and atlas. What is the use of this pro-atlas? It give independent movement to the head. Head can be rotated easily round ma. What I am saying ma, this pro-atlas give independent movement to the skull ma. This is the skull ma. Okay, so where it is located pro-atlas? It is located between the skull and atlas. Okay, it is between the pro-atlas is present. It give independent movement to the skull. Okay, but generally human being, other mammals, we have only neck region have a 7 vertebrae ma, but we don't have a pro-atlas, just atlas axis are present. But here addition vertebrae is present, that is pro-atlas. It is the unique feature of the Spinodon. Okay, it is a unique feature of the Spinodon. Next, okay, next ma, next is penile eyes is present. It is a non-functional. Eyes means it is not eyes ma. It is work as a photoreceptors. It work as a photoreceptors, not for the eye. Not function like a eyes ma. It work as a photoreceptor. That's why I say it is a non-functional. Next ma, ductus bottoli and ductus caroticus blood vessels are present. What I am saying ma, ductus bottoli and ductus caroticus blood vessels are present. Then what? Ductus bottoli means what? Ductus bottoli means what? It is a blood vessel. Yes, blood vessel means what is the function? Where it is located? Means it is simply, it is present between the, remember, it is present between the pulmonary arch and systemic arch. What I am saying, listen carefully. It is present between the pulmonary arch and systemic arch is called ductus bottoli. Right? Next, what about the ductus caroticus? Where it is located, where it is present? Listen, it present between the carotid arch and systemic arch, that is ductus bottoli. What is the difference between the ductus bottoli and ductus caroticus ma? Ductus bottoli present between the pulmonary arch, systemic arch. What about the ductus caroticus? One thing is changed. It present between the carotid arch and systemic arch. just pulmonary keratitis change ma. This is about the ductus botuli and ductus caroticus blood vessels. Next ma, urinary bladder is present. Yes, urinary bladder is present. You know the function of the urinary bladder means it stored the urine, primary urine. Okay. Next ma, cloacal. Next ma, cloacal pore is transverse. Cloacal pore is transverse. Next ma, copulatory organ is absent. Listen here, copulatory organ is absent, but fertilization is internal. How? The copulate, there is no copulatory organs. How it's going on the internal fertilizations? How? There is no copulatory organs. How the fertilizations going? How the internal fertilizations occur here? Very simple ma. Here ma, cloaca. Here ma, this cloaca work as a copulatory organs. What is the cloaca? What is the its cloaca means? It's resemble the anus. I think everyone knows the anus. Cloaca also similar to the anus, but it has a lot of differences ma. Now I'll also tell you difference between the anus and cloaca. See, anus, it is only for it send out the excretory material, that's it. But cloaca, it is work as a reproductive organ. I mean it is also work as a reproductive purpose, also excretion purpose, also parturition purpose. Means cloaca work as everything. It has a work as a reproductive purpose as well as excretion purpose as well as parturition purpose. That is a cloaca uniqueness. But anus only for excretion purpose ma. In lower vertebrates develop the cloaca, in higher vertebrates come to the cloaca modified into the anus. Means anus is advanced characters than the cloaca. So how the fertilization is going on here? The what ma? The cloaca. The cloaca is involved in the fertilization process. That's why fertilization is internal. Next ma, they all are oviparous. Oviparous means what ma? They are egg-laying animals. Egg-laying animals are called oviparous. They all are oviparous. Here one more thing ma, the relatives are extinct. Who their relatives? Generally ma, the Spinodon relatives are the dinosaurs. All dinosaurs are extinct, but the Spinodon is live. Why it was live? Because of their natural enemies is absent, as well as they are small in size, as well as they lives in holes or burrows. Due to these reasons, they are still lives without changes its characters, but their relatives dinosaurs are died so many billion years ago, but the Spinodon is still live because of the absence of their natural enemies, and they are small in size, and they lives in verma, holes and burrows. These are for these reasons they live still without changings. That's why we call it is a living fossil. But the dinosaurs are die, but it's still live. That's why we call a living fossil. One more thing ma, Spinodon is protected under the law of government of New Zealand. Means New Zealand government protect the Spinodon law ma. Means it gives some protections. No one is kill this organism, so it gives special protection to the Spinodon because of it is a unique species ma. Because it's a related to the dinosaurs. The dinosaurs are died but is still live, so it is the due to the government to protect this species. That's why the government protecting the Spinodon ma. This is about the ma Spinodon, some important characters. So this is the examination point of view ma. Income to the entrance point of view. What questions expect from this topic? In reptiles ma, mostly questions come from this topic only. Questions like that ma, Order Rhynchocephala include which species? Which species? Spinodon. That first question. Second ma, in reptiles, which lizards are living fossils? Which lizard ma? Spinodon punctatus. Next, in the following lizards, which one shows the discontinuous distributions? Which lizard ma? Spinodon shows discontinuous distributions. Some more questions ma. Which lizards common name is Hatteria, tartar and beak-headed lizards? Spinodons. So you have to remember these points for the entrance point of view ma. This is our topic as well as entrance point of view questions. This mostly questions come from this topic only ma, in any PG entrance as well as zoology subject government job entrance purpose also we expect these questions ma. This is our topic ma. Thank you listening for patiently.